Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great start to your week. Today I'm showing you some brand new stuff from MZ Wallace. So I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna put it out there, but I think this might be one of my favorite color releases from MZ Wallace. I am so in love with the new silver blue and the coral color, especially for spring and for summer. I want to buy like every single bag that they have launched in it. Like, I absolutely love it. I've already kind of opened up my box. So let me show you what I got. All right, so I got two things from the new release. I got something in the silver blue and something in the coral color. And then I also got a travel bag that I have been so curious about, one that a lot of you have recommended over and over and over again. I have some weekend trips coming up that I really wanted a good, just MZ Wallace duffel type bag for. So I got that as well, that I'll show you at the end. All right, so up first is the silver blue small Sutton. I have been wanting a new small Sutton for a while now, and I've just been waiting for a fun color that I loved, and this one fits the bill perfectly. I'm really hoping that this lighting is showing up good on camera. I feel like it is. I almost didn't record this video today because it was overcast and storming all morning, but now the sun's kind of come up, so I feel like the lighting is a little bit better. I will definitely have more videos and pictures of all these bags over on Instagram. I share a lot in stories and whatnot, and I'll probably do a reel or something. So I will show this bag in a lot of different light, but it is absolutely beautiful. It is such a pretty color for spring and for summer. I don't know why I thought that the hardware on this bag was going to be gold, but it's definitely silver, and I'm so glad that it is. I normally am a huge fan of gold hardware. That tends to be what I kind of gravitate towards with bags, but this one here looks so good with this silver hardware on it. I love this Sutton. I'm so excited to use this again because it's been a minute since I've been in the Sutton. Those of you that might not be familiar with this style, they have three different sizes of the Sutton now. I actually have another size over here that I'm gonna show you in a second, but they have the small, the mini, and then they have the medium Sutton. They used to have a large Sutton, but to my understanding, they don't make that one anymore. At least I don't think they do. But the small Sutton is one of my favorites. I get a lot of questions about the small Sutton versus the small Metro tote. They are two totally different bags and sizes, in my opinion. But if that's like something that you guys want to see a comparison of, let me know. I can make like a video on it or whatnot. But the small Sutton here is so adorable. It has these little clips that kind of clip down here on the sides to kind of give it a very cute silhouette. You have two exterior pockets. You have one here at the top, and then you also have another one here, and then you have leather trim here at the top of the bag. When you open up the bag, you have your traditional MZ Wallace, let me get all this out here, zipper pocket, and then you also have the two, oh, I love this color, the two pockets there on the inside. All of the bags do also come with this little pouch, which is awesome. I use them sometimes, but most of the time I use different pouches to pack up my bags, but it's nice that these are in them. What I love about this pouch though that I will mention is you can actually fold up, this is the same with like the Metro totes, you can fold up your Sutton or your Metro and store them inside this bag. So that's how I keep mine, which is really cool. But you have this pouch here, has a little clip there on the side, and it also comes with, where is it? Oh, down here at the bottom. You get a crossbody strap, so you can either wear this bag messenger style, or you can shorten it and wear it over your shoulder. And let me show you kind of what that looks like real quick. Okay, so 9 times out of 10, I carry the Sutton just like this, like in my hand, or however, like as a little like grab handle. But if you attach the strap, you can easily use it as a shoulder bag, or you can even make it longer and then wear the bag crossbody. So I love the versatility in it, but like I said, I usually will carry it just like this because it's so cute. All right, you guys, this next color is so good. I knew it was gonna be good. I knew it was gonna be good, but I didn't know it was gonna be this good, and I didn't know that I was going to love it as much as I do, but I definitely 100% am gonna need something else, if not everything else, that this color comes out in. It is the new coral color, and it is the best coral that I've ever seen. It actually looks crazy bright, like I feel like in the camera up here, and it is bright. I don't wanna take that away from it, but it's so pretty, it's so pretty. It's not red, it's not pink, it's not orange, it's coral. Like there's so many times that brands will come out with like a coral color and it's not coral. It's like red, or it's, I don't know, an obnoxious orange that they're like trying to say is coral, right? But this is like the most beautiful color ever. Like I definitely want to get the Metro pouch in it, and I forget what else it came out in. I grabbed this mini satin because they didn't have a lot of selections in this color. I wish they would have launched more of this color. I think actually there's a small Metro tote, but I have my magnet one that I love, so I don't know. But you guys, it's so good. If you're on the fence with either of these colors, like don't be. Like they're really, really good. This one also has silver hardware on the side. The mini satin is exactly the same as the small satin as far as the design, the layout. I have had the mini satin before. I don't know that I've actually ever reviewed it here on my channel. It's not my favorite style. It's just too small for me. So if you're like a smaller bag or like a crossbody type person, this could work really well for you. It's crazy adorable. Like it's so cute. And it actually does hold more than you think it would hold. But this size here is my favorite. The small, just, it's like a good size for me. So I'll definitely be doing a comparison of the two, because I feel like that video would be very, very good and helpful, because it's one that I've looked for a couple of times to wash, because it's just hard to really see the difference of these two, but you can pretty much fit the mini inside the small. Like it's that mini. But it's so cute. Like, how fun is this with like for the summer and spring, like wearing a crossbody? I think it's just awesome. I love it. I'll show you what the inside here looks like when I undo it. I didn't even really fully unwrap the whole thing, but this here is the inside of the bag. Like, get out of here. It is like so cute. Like it is, oh, I love it. I love it. I can't say enough about it. It's great. All right, last but not least is not a new April release, but it's a new bag to me. Not a new style. It's been out for a little bit. And it's one that I didn't like when they first launched it. I was like, no, I don't really have a need for that. It's not really for me. It's so good. I cannot wait to pack it up. But I finally grabbed the Nick, and I grabbed it in this gorgeous magnet color. You guys know I love magnet. I just recently did the small Metro tote. I've had it in a couple of different things over the years. I think all I have now is that small Metro tote, but this is so pretty. I love the gold hardware that's on the magnet color bags. I think that it's just a really pretty kind of brushed gold. I'm trying to take this zipper pull off here so I can show you an up close of it. All right, so see what I mean here? It's like a really pretty gold that's almost like a brushed gold. The camera probably doesn't do it justice, but it complements the magnet really, really well. All right, so I am going on a weekend trip here at the beginning of May, and a couple of others that are planned throughout the summer, but I'm always looking for a bag that is good for a personal item on an airline that I wouldn't necessarily have to pay for a carry-on for it, because there's not a lot that I need. If I'm going for 2 or even 3 nights, I don't need a whole heck of a lot of clothes. I don't carry a lot of toiletries, and I typically don't even bring another pair of shoes. So I feel like this bag is going to pack up perfectly. It also comes with a crossbody strap. On the back here, you have the option for a luggage or a trolley bar up the center of it. Or if you didn't want to use it for that, you have another pocket because it zips down at the bottom. It's a really great travel bag. At first glance, it's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to pack it up. These pockets here on the front, I can already tell are gonna pack like a dream as far as all of my travel things and just like small essentials. It's gonna be so awesome. You have another little pocket here. So pocket here and a pocket here, and then the inside is awesome. It's so good. I don't think I've ever been this excited about like a travel bag before. You guys were like spot on. You're like, you gotta get the Nick, you gotta get the Nick. I really wanted the Jimmy because I wanted the silver blue color. I'm obsessed with that color, but you guys were kind of telling me that that wasn't gonna be a good option for what I needed it for, and I think you're right. So on the inside here, there is a a laptop sleeve, which is awesome to put my iPad in. You have a zipper pocket, and then you have two huge pockets over here on the side that are trimmed in leather. So, I mean, it's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to pack it up. I'm sure you guys will wanna see a review of it when I do so, but let me know if you have any specific questions about it. I can make sure to cover those when I do a more detailed packing video of this one. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in seeing a more real color of the silver blue and the coral. They're so pretty. I know I keep saying it over and over and over again, but if you're on the fence, don't be. These are just really pretty colors for the next couple of months especially. So as always, I will have my affiliate link with MZ Wallace down below. I so appreciate it every time that you guys think of me and shop through my link when you're shopping MZ Wallace. If you have any questions about these, comments, let me know down below or reach out, send me a message, and I'm happy to answer them or show anything needed like over on Instagram. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'm gonna go pack these up. I can't wait to show them in more detail, hopefully maybe later on this week. So until my next video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.